Well, hey guys, I'm back out to Farm Pond. I really wanted to go out in the boat today, but dang, it's so windy. I hope you can even hear me. It's so windy. Anyway, I thought I'd just start out fishing for the bank. If the wind lets up, maybe I'll get out in the boat after a while. Let's see if we can catch a few from the bank. Go. Nice bass. I couldn't catch them on spinner bait this morning, so I went and got me a stick bait. Not sure exactly how. I think that's kind of a medium diver. That's what I caught it on. Bass number one. Hopefully they'll catch some more. Heck, that's not as big. That's not as big, but apparently they like that. I hadn't thrown that much. Maybe they're getting used to them spinner baits. Try something new. That's about 3 casts, 2 fish. Get the pliers. Well, hopefully they like that. Maybe I've come on to something. We'll keep fishing with this a while, see if we can catch a few more. Casting right along that bank. I nearly lost that one. I was casting right along that bank and he come up and nailed it. I feel like a pretty nice one. I'm gonna grab my scale. Let's see what this one weighs. Hold still. 1 pound 14 ounces. 1 pound 14 ounces. Not quite 2 pounds. Grow up a little bit and I'll catch you again. Oh, there we got another one. Oh, I lost him. Oh, dang it. It felt like a good one too. We've had a lot of rain here in the last week. This pond's pretty dirty. I thought, and it's also cooled off. We've had some nights in the 30s. Of course, it's about 70 today. This is Texas. Heck, it may be 30 one day and 90 the next. But they're still laying right up against the bank. Nearly every one I've caught's been close to the bank. And that was laying right on the bank. I throwed down the bank and the wind blowed it, probably wasn't a foot off the bank. About 6 cranks or so, and it hit it. Still fishing with I call it stick bait. I think I used to fish with something called a Rapala, or I called it a Rapala. I was watching a fishing show the other day and they called it a Rapala. But anyway, I'm from Texas, it's Rapala. But hey, if you know what that actual name of that is, put it down there in the description. I'm curious to know what it's actually called. Bass not too big, but hey, I like catching. There's another one. These bass are literally laying a foot off the bank. I'm casting right down the bank, and they're hitting it right down the bank line. I thought it's as cold as it got the last few nights. They might have moved out into some deeper water, but apparently this 70-degree day today, they've moved back up. Of course, it's windy as all get out. That's why I'm not in the boat. But hey, at least I'm catching a few off the bank. Dang, listen here. Got to get a hold of it good. There we go. He's a little one, but hey, that's all right. I'll take it.